So hello guys, I am Pinakine and this is my first YouTube video. It's a devlog on the recent game that I'm working on. It's a 2D platformer that you can play on Android. It will be available soon. And yeah, it's my first video. I haven't done much. So, and yeah, just watch it. I mean, it's kind of cool. So it's pretty basic. It's got like just some grounds and background, a main character, a camera, a joystick, like everything you have in the Android game, I think so, right? Well, it's a long way to go, so let's test it a bit. It has no bugs. Well, oh my god, why is it not working? Come on, work. Yeah, it can jump and walk and glitch. Yeah, so let's fix it. So the bug was, so first, I don't know if you saw this or not, but the character was floating. So that was because the that box colliders off the ground were like too big, huge, humongous. So I had to manually fix them all. You know what a smart guy would have done? He would have created like some prefab so that if he wanted to make some changes, he would have done it to the main one and all the others would have changed with it. But I'm not that smart, I'm kind of dumb. All fixed now, so let's check it out. As you can see, our character is no longer floating and is on the ground like he should be. And he can jump, move, and even crouch. I mean, you can't see it right now because the crouch is a thing that you can show it by animation. So now, you know, earlier you saw the not moving glitch, so I decided to fix it, but I couldn't find a solution. So I was just like sitting on my couch and I was suddenly reminded of Danny. Do you know who is Danny? Let's have a look.
Hello gang, make sure to smash subscribe, smash like, and drink your milk, hit your sack, and don't be whack.
I did have as he said, had some milk. Which was kind of tasty. Or say delicious. Well, after drinking the milk, I was able to finish solve the issue. The issue was that there was already a ground in the background behind the background. I don't know, well. Yeah, as you can see right here. And he can even crouch now, see. I mean, there's like a lot of finishing to do. Like, prevent the character from falling into the void. So, well, I fixed it because you know, the character and the ground were not on the same layer. Yeah. Well, now I fixed the issue. Now our character no longer falls into the void and stay on the ground. And yeah, he can move, jump, crouch, and in future he'll be able to do a whole lot of things. I mean, what's the point of crouching when you can jump over the block? I don't know. If you guys have any cool name for the ground, just write it in the comment section. And now, as you can see, there's another problem that the background is appearing like after the ground, so that's a huge problem. I switched to 3D mode to do this, which made things a whole lot difficult. I should have like just set the Y position, but yeah, it kind of looked good at the end, but it's still like a whole lot more to do, which I'll do in the next video coming next week. So yeah, thank you for watching, subscribe to my channel, stay tuned, bye.